want to show you guys, I see a turtle. Let's see if you can see it. Let me show you. All right, we're gonna get as close as we can to the turtle, but I don't want to get too close. Let me position myself a little bit. Can you see? Oop! I scared him! I scared him! Did you see the turtle? I scared him away though. I feel pretty bad. So I want to get more of a shaded area because the sun's right on me. So I see a spot that will be really nice. So right now we're kind of in the marshy areas. There's a lot of really cool lily pads. Again, we saw a turtle, which was very exciting. But I want to get to the other side of this forest, so that way we'll get a little bit of shade from the sun. And also, this area is quite mucky at the ground at the bottom. So where I jump off, probably not here. So we'll keep on trucking along. Yes, the captain is in the ship. Everyone into position, please. So we'll keep on going here. I want to just turn the river bend. Just across the river bend. Here's where it's perfect. You guys want to look around? You want to look around? Yeah, I'll show you. Welcome. Yes, awesome. Okay, well, I guess I'll stay here then. There's quite some swampy water. I don't know if you can see it. It's quite swampy here. Yes, you live in a bag now, it's true. That's where I'll keep you. I think it's a good shade cover. Well, how is this for a spot? Okay, I see a little... Dare I go closer? Beautiful place though. Okay, here is a good spot. And I did bring my goggles, by the way, so I don't know how well we'll be able to see, not at all, but I think that would be pretty fun to see if we could see anything with the goggles. But for now, here seems like a really good place. How cold is the water? It's not bad at all, it's actually really nice. I might jump in then. Yes, today's the day. Here seems like a really nice spot. So I have my life jacket at the ready. You always have to be prepared. Stay safe. I also have a rope. Oh, I got my uke. And I have a rope so that I'll hold on to the rope so I won't lose the boat. Jump! Do a backflip. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it. Here we go. Okay, I'll put the strap on just so I don't lose it. And we're gonna go in. Are you guys ready? Concert underwater? Yeah, careful not to wrap your feet. It's actually quite deep here, so I think we'll be good. Hold your breath, guys. Are you ready? I'm holding onto the rope and we're gonna do it. Okay. So first off, I want to make sure that I won't lose the paddle. So I'm putting the paddle here so that it's safe. Cool, it's time! Are you ready? Where is Tika? Not here today, no. She would be quite a handful. She's normally the star of the show, so. It's time! That's right! Here we go! Are you ready? Okay. Here we go! This is the day you almost caught Captain Jess. But it is not this day, no. This day we jump into the water. Are you ready, me mateys? Captain Jess, signing off. Oh! That's it, folks. Now quickly, I gotta get back in. Otherwise the sharks will be in the water. The sharks will be here. I also realized I wore my sunglasses. That was almost dangerous. Let's get back to the front. Well, that was the jump. Should I get back on? Maybe we'll explore a little bit more. Okay. So hopefully it's a really nice spot in the water. It's so nice. Gotta always carry the rope. Let's see if we can float. But it's so nice to be in the water. Guys, it's been so long since I was in the water. The first swim of the year. And I'm so glad to share it with y'all. Let's get back aboard. Oh, yes, how is the water? It's so good. It's so nice. You can check out for yourself. I did bring goggles with me, but I don't think it's gonna be I don't think it's gonna be clear enough. Let's grab it. Man overboard! Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, I keep forgetting that I have a camera. Okay. I do have goggles. Now, this is more jumps. Yes! This was my birthday gift to myself this year. Is a pair of really cool goggles that actually has peripheral vision as well. I've never tried it before. I don't know if it will actually work in this water, but we'll try it out. I'm redeeming a hydrate. Yes, K-Shop. Thanks for that hydrate. Let's put it in. Luckily, hopefully, the GoPro shouldn't overheat now that it's been nice and cooled off just like me. Hey CJ, welcome in. Oh, it's still hot. I put some hot tea in here thinking it would be really cold water, but it's so beautiful out here today. We just need a front flip. I can only do that underwater. Awesome. Okay, I want to try these boys out. Yeah? Let's move a little bit. Let's go back. The goggles are huge. I know. I'm so excited. So they also have peripheral vision. So I'll be able to see quite clearly everywhere. I definitely splurged for these guys. I thought, you know, my favorite place in the world is to be underwater. Let's turn around. Is this your kayak? Mm-hmm. This is my kayak. Her name is Splash. A fitting name, no? So I'm going in. She's jumping in. I'm doing it. Alright, we're going. Here we go. This is the day that you almost saw Captain Jest Bubbles. Maybe you've got better internet up here. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, I'm jumping in. I need to get the rope, but that's cool. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, lost my top there. Let's get back there. Let me turn around. Get on the other side. I'm gonna see if my goggles work. Let me put you guys down for a second. Let's see. Wow! Wow, okay. I don't think you can see anything. Wow, I see everything. I want to get further out. Let's see if you can see further out. I think it's too murky for you. Perhaps not good visibility for you, but let's see. Oh, this is awesome. Hey guys, this is going to be the end of my stream. Thank you so much for joining me. It says live for me, just no video. I'm gonna head out. I think that was the end, and such a big splash. And my goggles are fantastic. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.